2026 Shelby Cobra represents a bold revival of one of America's most iconic performance machines, blending classic muscle car spirit with modern engineering and technology. This new generation stays true to the aggressive personality of the original Cobra while introducing substantial updates that make it a far more refined, powerful, and capable sports car for today's drivers. Shelby has approached the 2026 model with the intention of honoring its heritage while pushing innovation forward, resulting in a vehicle that feels both familiar and unmistakably advanced. At the heart of the 2026 Shelby Cobra is a newly developed, high-output V8 engine, tuned by Shelby American to deliver explosive performance. Early performance estimates place the output well above 700 horsepower, giving it the raw strength expected from a car bearing the Cobra name. The engine is paired with an advanced dual-clutch transmission that offers lightning-fast shifts, though Shelby also offers a traditional manual gearbox for purists who want a more hands-on driving experience. Improved suspension geometry, a lightweight chassis structure, and upgraded aerodynamics work together to enhance stability, especially at high speeds. With these improvements, the Cobra is not just fast in a straight line, but also sharp and controlled through corners, bringing it closer to modern supercar territory. Visually, the 2026 Cobra embraces its roots with a low, wide stance and curvy, muscular proportions, reminiscent of the 1960s models. However, everything has been reimagined with contemporary materials and aerodynamic efficiency in mind. The front end features an aggressive grille design, LED lighting, and functional air intakes that feed and cool the powerful V8. Lightweight, carbon fiber panels reduce overall weight while increasing rigidity. At the rear, a modern diffuser, quad exhaust system, and striking taillights give the car a distinctive look that signals its combination of heritage and modern performance. Shelby offers a range of signature paint options and racing stripe variations that allow buyers to create a personalized, track-ready appearance. Inside, the 2026 Shelby Cobra blends minimalistic racing focus with modern comfort. The cockpit is designed around the driver, featuring sport bucket seats, bi-quality leather, and Alcantara trim, and a digital instrument cluster that provides real-time performance data. Despite its performance orientation, the car offers essential, modern conveniences such as an advanced infotainment system, smartphone integration, and adaptive driving modes. These modes adjust throttle response, suspension stiffness, steering feel, and exhaust tone, allowing the driver to tailor the Cobra's personality to their preferences. Whether cruising on the highway or pushing limits on a track, safety and technology also receive significant improvements. The Cobra comes standard with a suite of driver assistance features such as blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping support. Though these systems can be minimized for a more traditional driving feel, enhanced braking systems, reinforced crash structures, and high-strength materials further contribute to driver confidence. Overall, the 2026 Shelby Cobra succeeds in delivering a thrilling fusion of nostalgia and innovation. It preserves the raw power and emotional character of the original Cobra while embracing the advancements expected in a modern high-performance car. For enthusiasts, it represents a dream, reborn faster, smarter, and more refined than ever.